The Tropic of Cancer passes through India and Iran, Iran and Pakistan, Iran and Saudi Arab, Iran and Iraq. Tropic of Cancer, it is very clear, it is passes through India. Now there is a two option, Iran and Saudi Arab. Which one is the correct? Now see the map of Asia. Now the two option is Iran or Saudi Arab. No, here see there is a no line passes through. This is the Tropic of Cancer line. This is not passing through the Iran, it is passes through the Saudi Arab. It means answer C is correct. Prime meridian passes through Greenwich, New York, Tokyo or UK. Prime meridian means the 0° longitude. This is 0°, this which connect North Pole to South Pole. The shape of Earth is like a ball and the total degree of a ball is 360. So it is very difficult from where we start 0°. So in 1884 at the conference of Washington DC, it decided that the line passes through the Greenwich, a small village of England, as indicate as 0° longitude. The answer is A, Greenwich. Run through 360° in 24, each 15° longitude, 15 minutes, half an hour, 1 hour or 1. You have to remember that the Earth moved from 1° longitude to 2° longitude. It takes 4 minutes. So it is very simple. In a 15° longitude into 4 equal to 60 minutes equal to 1 hour. The answer is 1 hour. Which instrument is used to keep the correct Greenwich mean time? Clinometer, barometer, chronometer. First we have to know what is clinometer. Clinometer is an instrument to measure height of tree, pole, tower, building. Barometer, it is used to measure atmospheric pressure. Now the answer is chronometer. Chronometer is an instrument from where the ships captain get the correct time of their location when they compare with time with Greenwich. How many of each degree of longitude does the local time of any place vary from Greenwich type? 4 minutes, 6 minutes, 8 minutes and 10 minutes. The answer is 4 minutes. As you know that the Earth moved from 1 longitude to 2° longitude, it takes 4 minutes. So the answer is 4 minutes. The international date line passes through Bering Strait, Gibraltar Strait, Florida Strait, Malacca Strait. First you have to know what is international date line. International date line is actually an imaginary line which indicate 80° east or west longitude. If you see this one, this is the Earth, this is 0°, this is the prime meridian, this is the 0° prime meridian. This line is located behind of it. Now as you know that the Earth moved from west to east, so there is a difference of time of 1 day created from A place to B place. To reduce this gap, what they decided in 1884 at Washington DC, the line which passes through the 180° longitude is known as the international date line. As a person, when he moved from B to A, from Asia to Europe, from Asia to America, then one day is deducted. When it moved from America to Asia, 1 day is added on its traveling time. See this beam, this is 180°, this is the international date. Here it is not a straight line, it is a zigzag line. So the time between the one particular island may not be changed. Now what is the importance of this date line? If a person from North America moves to the Asia, then 1 day is added. But when a person travels from Asia to North America, 1 day is deducted from its traveling time. So the answer of this is Bering Strait. Bering Strait is a place from where Asia and North America have a minimum space between them. This is, and it is in Pacific Ocean. What happens when a ship crosses international date line from west to east? It gain one day, it lose one day, it loses 10 hours, or it gain half an day. Take this thing. This is international date line 180-degree, and that is the from west to west means USA and east means Asia. From west to east, it means there is a loss of one day. Loss. The answer is B is all correct. What is the time between the longitude? 5 minutes, 5 minutes 20 seconds, 4 minutes, 4 minutes. As you know that the earth move from one longitude to two longitude, it take 4 minutes. The answer C is the correct one. Line passes through India. Tropic of Cancer, Arctic Circle, Tropic of Capricorn, or Arctic Circle. The answer is A, Tropic of Cancer. This is the Tropic of Cancer line passes through India, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura, and Mizoram. The total number of states from where it passes, that is 8. How many kilometers are represented by 1 degree of latitude? 191, 161, 141, or 111? Take this diagram. This is 0 degree. Okay, this is 0 degree, and that is the 1 degree. The distance between the 0 and 1 is 111 kilometer. It means each latitude has 101 kilometer far from another latitude. Okay, the total distance between the one latitude to another latitude is 111 kilometer. The answer D is correct. What is the longitude of a town if it is a local time is 6 p.m. when Greenwich time is 4 p.m.? Okay, as you know that the earth move from one longitude to another longitude, it takes 4 minutes. Now take this type of scale. Greenwich time is 4, this is 0 degree Greenwich, okay, and it is 4 p.m. Now it is a 6 p.m. 6 means that is a ahead, that is on the eastern side of 6 p.m. Now we know that the difference between the one longitude and two longitude is 4 minutes. The difference between the 4 p.m. and 6 p.m. is 120 minutes. It means if you divide it by the 4, how much it 30 comes. So which answer is the correct? 30-degree east is the correct answer. How you? 30 into 4 equal to 120 minutes. Now the difference between the Greenwich time and the local town is 2 hours. It means 120 minutes. So the answer is B, 30-degree east is correct. So the following latitude form a great circle. Latitudes, the line which passes through the center of the earth from into east and west direction, and this is the 0 degree. This is the 0 degree equator is known as the great circle. Why? Because the length of this latitude is maximum as compared to the other latitudes. The following statement is correct. All longitude and latitudes are great circle. All longitude and equator are great circle. All longitude, Greenwich, meridian area are great circle. None of this. Take this one. Great circle means which is the maximum area. That is the 0 degree latitude, and this is the North Pole and the South Pole. It means all the longitude here are a great circle because it covers the maximum distance, and only this 0 degree latitude has known as great circle because it covers the maximum distance. The answer is B is correct. All longitude and equator are the great circle. The temperature of any area depends upon its latitude, longitude, climate, and weather. The answer is A, latitude. Why? because the movement of the sun is restricted between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. So this area get the maximum sunshine. So this area has more temperature as compared to these two areas of the earth. So the temperature of any area depends on latitude. This is not the single. There are so many other reasons. Height, what is the height of that particular area, and distance from the sea, all other factors also contribute to indicate or reflect the temperature of a particular area. Through which of the following group of Asian country Tropic of Cancer passes? India, Saudi Arab, Sri Lanka, India, Bangladesh, Indonesia, Saudi Arab, United Arab Emirates, Oman, Venezuela, Ethiopia and Indonesia. D is not the correct answer because Ethiopia and Venezuela is not in Asia. So we have to find out from A, B, C. From the among options which is shown, first is India, Saudi Arab, Sri Lanka. Now Sri Lanka is far behind. This is the Tropic of Cancer. There is nowhere Sri Lanka. This means answer A is not correct. Second is India, Bangladesh, Indonesia. India, Bangladesh and Indonesia. Indonesia is not also not on this picture. It means the Tropic of Cancer is not passes through all. It means B answer is not correct. Third one is the Saudi Arab, United Arab Emirates and India. It means the option 3 is the correct answer. Option 3 is the correct answer. Saudi Arab, United Arab Emirates and Oman is the country from where Tropic of Cancer passes.